Audio Jungle.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, welcome back, one and only my channel, Crypto Victoria. So, guys, Victoria is here with you with an amazing and guys, this is my second review of a baby boom token. So, I have to say thanks, honor, and CEO of this team and all of our team members that they are running this platform. So, you mustly join. And here I have to represent today I want to introduce Baby Boom Token, a crypto project that created to address the global issue of declining birth rates. So here I will discuss you each and everything about listing of our platform on famous exchanging and all of other things. So you have to stay tuned with me till last of the video, guys. So if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further amazing videos notification. And guys, I have to say that I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment. I'm not responsible for your any profit or loss. So here I have to say once again, welcome back on Baby Boom, guys. And here is very latest news, amazing and good news for the Baby Boom audience. That here, guys, I have to tell you that falling fertility rates are becoming a worldwide crisis, threatening economic growth and future of entire societies. And we have to take offers real financial incentives, also encourage childbirth, combining blockchain, AI to build sustainable and incentive system. So here is a that's I have already tell you in my first review that and this is basically revolutionizing birth sport and rewards with projects that's AI technologies, guys. And here I have also tell you that our this is visionary leaders like USA President Donald Trump had recently proposed a baby bonus policy that paying 5,000 USDT per newborn to fight with population decline. And also Elon Musk. So here I will guys, here you can also stake your baby boom token and you can earn 30% your annual. And here is the staking rewards for you. And we offer 30% annual staking rewards with 6 months lockup period. And you can also get a global airdrop that is holding events running until 31st January of 2025. And here is also our new buyers, referrers, and long-term holders that all have chances to earn bonuses from baby boom token. So guys, here you can see that Elon Musk has now repeatedly warned that population collapse is the biggest threat to the civilization. And everyone knows about this famous personality of Elon Musk that have show that tell about that talk about on baby boom token that's encouraged to participate also in a family growth. And here you can read this article that is Alan Musk talks about birth rates. And this is about all of these globally. And here is you can also check out our unique approach, all of our this sustainability about global vision and each and everything that have say Alan Musk in her tweet. And guys, you can also check out this the biggest world first crypto project that rising trumps. Also, as I tell you, he said about 5,000 5,000 per USDT of one of the these are the personalities that newborn to fight with population declines. As Donald Trump, USA president, asked about this talk. And you can say that these two personalities, as we know that and guys, now I want to show you about our platform. And here I will talk about our staking rewards that here you can get out about 30% annual returns and you can stake here. And guys, we have also do listing on famous exchanges like Gate.io and MEXC. And we have also do smart contract audit by Certic. And here is after launch we have to do 0.04 USDT is our price that will be increases And here we also use our real impact and each and everything, guys. So here I want to show you our platform. Here you can see baby boom token. This is our official website. Here you can check out all of the AI driven personalities that but sport features help create future of families worldwide. And here is, guys, also you can check out our start writing with baby boom. What's our community say, and you can check out all the happiness through these baby smiles in futures. And here is also, guys, there is our roadmap is available, our white paper, our team about, you can check out in our all of the social medias account. Like this is our Twitter official account where you have to follow, and here you can participate about in our, you can get reward that is available. You have to check it out all of our activities in all of our socials. And here is our Telegram community where you have to join. You have to get this ecosystem token that powering the decentralized birth promotions app. And here you have to join. And guys, this is our, you can check out on CoinGecko our current price. Our now you can see that this is total market cap, also bluish and very pumping graph of the baby boom token is here, and you can check this out. And here you can see that this is our exclusive roadmap of baby boom token, and here is white paper is also available. You can read here and you can download this. If you have any questions or query, you have to check it out this here. And guys, here you have to also check out our listing on MEX and also on Gate.io exchange, and you can also join here. So I have to say that if you are looking for a good platform, if you are want to invest, so you have to invite your family and friends here right now, because you get a lot of here's profits. So you have to mostly join here, and you have to also invite your family and friends here. So this is our white paper where you get all of our introduction about our platform, all of about our social links is available, and you have to mostly download this. So stay tuned with us and see you next video. Thanks for watching, guys.